Hello. If you are a student of primary, high school, or university, or UG, PG, or you are a faculty, and if you are a parent, and this video is very helpful for you. So let's start. Uh, in this video, I'll be covering what is Aatm Nirbhar Bharat and how it is related to the education. Yes. So let's start. What is Aatm Nirbhar Bharat? Uh, Producing the products or manufacturing the products in our nation and selling it in our nation, and if the production happens more than producing to other nations. So this is the fundamental concepts of Aatm Nirbhar Bharat. Now I'll be quickly moving into this topic, how it is related to the education. Yes, in education there are five stakeholders: one, parents, students, faculty, and industry or any MNC or IT companies, and government. Now all these five concepts or five stakeholders should match a concept, okay, but in a present education system it is not matching. So that's why our India, the manufacturing of the products is very less when compared to the other nations. So now in 2020, the mindset of the parents, students, and institutions should be changed. What the mindset should be changed, I'm going to explain you now. See what happening now, I will explain first, then what things to be changed, then I will explain later. Now all the parents are thinking that marks is going to be everything, whereas at present marks is not everything. Yes, this is the main important thing. Nowadays all we hear that 90% scored means he 90 or 90 plus he scored means he's very intelligent, or and 50 to 60% if he scored, then he is above student, or if he just passed student, and if he's failed then he's a dull student. Yes, this kind of mentality we have at present now also. In the parents mind is in parents mind also this mentality is there, and student mind and in institution level mind is also in that aspects only. But I will say this as yes, somewhat yes, not perfectly yes, because we are not living in 90s, we are at 2020. So our mindset should be changed. Somewhat it is true, but not it is 100%. Marks is important to step into next further education, or step into the company, but after stepping in the company, or after stepping in the future or further education, it will not help. Again I am telling, it will not help. Marks is only the thing to step into that further things, but after stepping what the things to be done, for that marks will not help. For that only the thing help is skills and knowledge. Yes, and that is what the companies, MNC companies or IT companies or industries and government are looking for. But what government and IT companies are looking, and what institutes and parents are thinking, it it is not matching. In between, students is dying. Again I am telling, student is dying, because in institutes or schools or parents will say something, and government and IT companies are expecting something else from the student. It is not matching. uh, in order to avoid these conflictions, our mentality should be changed. Then only Aatm Nirbhar Bharat will get succeed. Now what happens is, all the parents or all the institutes main aim is to develop a student or to prepare a student to be an employee of a company or employee of in industry. But no one is thinking that about the entrepreneurship. it is the main disadvantage of our Indian mindset. That thing should be changed. Why other companies are manufacturing more and more products compared to India means, there is no such mentality that after at the age of after the age of 20 or 22, my son or daughter should work in IT companies or any industry. There they will not think. In other countries, I am telling, there they will not think like that. If based on his skills he will do something else, like that mentality is there. And there in other countries, the parents and institutes main aim will be something, he should do innovative things, something the world changing things has to be done. And that same ideology has to be implemented in India also. Then only the Aatm Nirbhar Bharat will be successful in upcoming days. So in these aspects, if we think, then only we will get succeed in Aatm Nirbhar Bharat. See, nowadays we are lagging in production and manufacturing of toys, and even though we are struggling in manufacturing of good products of phones, good products of earphones, like that. Just I'm giving example to you. Yeah, in India also there are many good companies now, they are producing, but still more competition has to be done, and few productions or few manufacturing industries are not there in India. So for that reason, Indian government or Indian citizens are buying those products from other countries. By doing this, what will happen? Profit will be go to that particular country. So this is the concept. Producing has to be done in our country, and selling has to be done in our company, in our nation. And that those if the production has happened more, then we have to sell the other companies also. Means producing locally and selling locally, and also if possible selling to the global market. So this is the main concept of Atmanirbhar. So our parents mentality and institute mentality and students mentality has to be matched with industry, industry and companies, and with government. Then only it will be success. As I said, five stakeholders: student, faculty, parents, institutes, and government, and companies. All these stakeholders uh, keep should be kept only one aim. Then only our that Atmanirbhar concept will be get succeed. So this is the role of education in fulfillment of Atmanirbhar Bharat.